Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need iCloud Photos active so the Photos app can create a shareable link. Once done, open Photos and go straight to the album. Select the first images you want to share by tapping them. Make sure you include all intended files. Tap the share icon at the bottom left to open the share sheet. You're starting immediately. Don't navigate through other apps. This first step uploads or references originals, so the link you make will point to actual photos rather than local-only copies. With your selection visible, tap Share and choose Copy Link or Add People then Copy Link, because that tells iCloud to generate a web URL. Once the system begins preparing the link, you'll see a progress indicator. Be patient. Larger sets take longer. Make sure to set permissions in the Add People pane if you want edits or downloads allowed. After Photos generates the URL, it's copied to your clipboard so you can paste it into Messages, Mail, or any app where you want to share. Paste the copied URL where you intend to share it. Recipients open a web preview with full-resolution download options, which is why links beat attachments for large sets. Once done, remember links generally expire after about 30 days, so renew if you need longer access. If someone reports a broken link, make sure your iPhone finished syncing to iCloud and that you didn't delete the photos. Recreate the link if needed. This final check saves time and prevents fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.